Hi there, this lecture is going to be actually based on a really cool tip from one of the students in this course, Vicky Lorena.
This video is brought to you by Abby Pies Academy.
And she suggested doing a video on how to do SEO for your press release, and I thought that was brilliant because, well, hopefully somebody picks up your press release and copies a part of it. Actually, that's what they do. When journalists take your press release, often they just copy and paste a huge chunk of it without writing the actual article, often, not always. And what happens is, that's the text that gets placed on their websites. So why not do the SEO for them, right? So because they're just going to copy and paste the text, what you want to do is put the SEO right into the press release. And by the way, wherever this press release ends up living online, why not have your SEO, do your SEO for it? And how do you do your SEO? Basically, in this case, it's just adding the right keywords in here. So I'll show you exactly how to do that. This is the press release that is packaged along in this course. So you already have it, and I'm going to give the example based off of it. So this press release is most comprehensive book on how to start a business based on research of 300,000 entrepreneurs. Okay, so the keywords are start a business and entrepreneurs and book. Okay, so I'll show you how I do my keyword research just really quickly. I mean, I have a full SEO course, and so I'll have the links to all my other kind of courses and resources in the very last lecture of this course, so that if you want to know more about SEO, you can take that course. But here I'll just give like a really to the point tutorial that what's needed here. Okay, so I'm going to open a different browser that I have open for you. And so this is what I do. I search for Google Keyword Tool. You're going to find this listing. You're going to click on it. This is AdWords. Now AdWords, and I'm going to sign in. AdWords is for Google paid traffic, but we're not going to use that. We're just going to use the Google keyword as a part of this. And you go search new keywords, okay? And you search for start a business. Maybe even start business. And you go search, get ideas, and look for other ideas, right? I'm going to have this keyword ideas tab. Okay. And we're going to see start a business. Okay, we have that, but look, here are all the keyword ideas that you should put these phrases, not stuff them into your press release, but put them there like little by little wherever, right? Look at all the variations. Starting a business. How do I start a business, right? Grants, steps to start a business, starting a business, start up business, you get it, right? So if you just target start business or start a business, that's very limited because look at all the variations for this that there are, and you will be missing out quite a bit, especially if you get picked up by a really high ranking publication. They have a high chance to rank in Google for all these searches. You know, if you do it from your website, you'll have a hard time, but from another big website, you'll have an easier time. And then you can just get your page to rank really well for all of these amazing keywords and get a ton of traffic. And then, you know, from that page, they'll link to, of course, because you wrote the press release, right? You link to the book, and you'll be able to get to sell a lot of books this way. And so that's kind of how you would do basically. So as there's a lot of text in here, you would strategically add different keywords in different paragraphs, maybe add paragraphs, maybe add more, and then, you know, that was just, remember, that was just what we did on start a business. But there's also keyword of entrepreneurs. Of course, these are very competitive keywords. It's not easy to rank for them. But if you have even easier keywords, you can like maybe business planning, which is still a competitive keyword, but still. So you can sort of get close to a lot of the different keywords and then get your press release to get picked up by a large publication, hopefully, and then rank in Google for all these amazing keywords. And then, of course, your link to your book will be here, or your product, and then it's just going to be doing marketing for you for a long time, even after the press. You get press, then you stop getting press, but the press release will be, or the article will be positioned to be found in Google maybe this year, next year, in 2 years, who knows how long, right? So that's the beauty of this strategy.